GKE comes by default integrated with cloud logging, which we usually recommend to use if you are not you not have any other things that you don't you don't want to maintain yourselves the logs framework that you are using to collect the logs. So the thing is that by default, GKE collects the logs on the nodes, collects the logs of your workloads, and report them and send them to cloud logging. The best practice for doing that is just configure the cloud logging syncs. If you want to somehow filter out the logs that are getting done or need a different kind of availability for or data retention for specific logs, you can define these cloud log syncs and send that specific logs to any other backend that you want instead of cloud logging, or you can have send to a different bucket with a different retention period, or you can analyze them using BigQuery, or you can do many things that using the cloud logging. Okay, so and when it comes to structure, how you are going to use those logins and the people, and you say logging scopes. The logging scopes is okay. I can have these specific logs seen done by a specific team. For example, only developers can see the logs in the clusters that are in the developer environment and development GCP account, projects, or any other kind of combination that you can think of. So the idea is that you know that Google structures that in folders. So in that folders, I can aggregate the logs as expected, and there's policies to aggregate those logs and then have those logs only visible to these specific teams that need them. Okay, and just goes querying the logs. It can be done using cloud logging, the cloud logging query, which is already available from the Google Cloud Console of the Google Cloud SDK. So the thing is that for me, it would be the best way to go to use cloud logging for this. But there are other frameworks out there that you can use in Kubernetes just to collect those logs. Okay, the thing is that you have to maintain them. So the best option, it will be batteries included in GKE, cloud logging. So use cloud logging if you don't have any other reason to not use it. And the thing is that we can help you with how to organize your logins and how to filter those logins so you have the required logins that you need in order to perform your daily tasks, your daily routines. And if you need to go deeper, you can consult another logs later for analyzing those logs in BigQuery, or just report them to a third-party tooling of your choice. Okay, so that's Datadog or any other tools. That would be my recommendation for this handling of the logs.